What's up, YouTube fam? This is Joel with Trulife Investing. Wow, today has been crazy. If you're watching the stock market, you'll notice that today was a huge red day for the entire stock market. Literally down 217 points for the Nasdaq. The Dow Jones was down 300 points, and then the S&P 500 index was down 25 points. And so what these are three of the largest, essentially, index funds within the stock market that hold a lot of stocks. Like the S&P 500 has 500 stock companies that this index fund is invested into, and so out of all those 500, there was enough of those companies that had a red day, which means that the stock went down in price to bring the entire S&P 500 index below its whatever it was at for the 0% and down below the negative to a negative 25 points. So one thing that we're going to look at though is we actually pull through into a green day. I have tons of friends that they're investing, they're starting out, and a lot of them pretty much ended up with red days. We actually, for our account, ended up with a red day, but because of after hours trading, we pulled through to give us a green day, which $1.60 is not much, and it's not much of a percentage for green day for our entire account. But think about it like this: if we can continue to have green days no matter what, then we're going to grow our account, even if it's by 1% or if it's by 10%. We got to consistently have those green days so that we can consistently grow the account. And as you can see here, that we're still going up. We ended out the day with going up, and that's what we want. We want to be positive in this. We want to have green days. So that way we can continue to grow our account, continue to invest wisely. So what I'm actually going to do is show you the stocks that I had today and what stocks that I sold today to help me stay in the green. So we're going to go to my history, and we're going to show the stocks Northern Oil and Gas Market sell. So I sold these today and made a profit. I had 100 shares. I actually purchased these when they were at $1.18 right here, and for a total of $118. And then the next day, because of the PDT rule, I waited. I watched the market. I saw that whenever it got above $1.30, I jumped for it, and we actually made almost $14 off this one stock in one day. So that was great. One stock that I saw as the day was closing out, because we know that the market is open from 8:30 to 4 o'clock Eastern time every single day. So for me, I live in Central time, Central Standard Time in the US, and so whenever I saw this stock around 2:33 Central Time, I looked at its history. I looked at over a week that it's been doing really, really well. And so I felt that, with the analyst rating of RobinHood 79 cents said to buy it, that there was a lot of people that are invested into this stock in Robinhood, that it would be a good buy. And so if we go back and look, I bought it at 214 and ended the day with that 221. So this is actually a positive for us. So we're actually over 3% positive on this stock. The only other stock that we have is 30 shares of MFA. Now MFA, if you look at it over a year's time, it's like I said, it was doing great, and then the pandemic hit and it dropped, and it's been doing really good. But sometimes whenever the entire stock market gets hit, stocks, these types of stocks get hit too, even these penny stocks. And even though for the entire day, it had a peak, but it kind of slowed down and slowed to the point where it was less than what I purchased it, actually 15 cents less than what I purchased it, because I purchased it at $3.30 per share, ended out the day with $3.15. That's okay. This is a stock that historically has done well, so we're going to hold on to it. But I would have sold this stock for $3.67. But as you have seen from my other video about when to trade penny stocks, I held on to this stocks to prove a point, because I knew that, and I know that whenever you're trading penny stocks, you have to trade them within a certain time frame. And the market is most volatile. It's going up, it's going down. Stocks are moving like crazy before 9 o'clock, and especially before 8:45. And so as you can see here on this stock, I was watching this stock all the way from when the market opened to 8:45, and I'm telling you what, I wanted to sell this very much, and I would have made a profit. I would have made a pretty good profit, but because for the sake of showing our YouTube community and actually showing what it's like whenever we actually have a red day, because remember, this is Trulife Investing. Sometimes we're going to have red days, but we have to make sure that we're smart whenever we're dealing with these penny stocks, and whenever we're dealing with the market that all of a sudden takes a downturn, of when is it okay to sell out and cut your losses. But this MFA, it's historically done well. We're going to hold on to it and hope that it gets back. We're going to analyze it tomorrow, and we're going to review it. Whether it goes back up tomorrow and we're able to sell it for a profit, or we're going to reanalyze it in tomorrow's video. But we're going to keep our eyes on this stock right here. But if we go to our portfolio, we can see that we have 50 shares of the OGI, which is doing great for us. We ended up today in the green, which is great because of after hours trading. So we're thankful for that. These are some of the shares, some of the companies that I'm looking at and I'm watching. As you can see, out of all these, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 5 red and 3 green that I'm watching. So, I mean, today was just, sometimes that happens with the stock market, that you have more of a red day than you do a green day, but that's okay. We're going to be smart. We're going to learn together. We're going to grow together. We're going to keep making good decisions about purchasing stocks, and we're going to make sure that we keep our account constantly moving forward so that we can keep growing the account and keep investing more. Just want to thank you for your time of watching this video. I want to thank one of our subscribers for letting me know that with my screen, I actually have a 27-inch screen at home, and so my resolution was a little bit too small for people to see, so I actually zoomed it from 100% to 150%. So hopefully that helps out with people being able to see the numbers, being able to see the trends, being able to see what's on the screen. So thank you, subscriber, for helping me with that and letting me know that. And we're just going to continue to, improve upon the channel. I'm new to YouTube, but I wanted to share my journey with everybody. I wanted to show everybody that with discipline and hard work, you can grow an account, you can grow in the stock market, you can invest, and you can get to financial freedom. And that's what this channel is about. And so thank you for all your support, everyone. Remember to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and we're going to see you tomorrow. And just remember that I'm not only going to be doing videos of the daily trading with this account, but I'm also going to be throwing out other videos that are going to, show tips and tricks that I'm learning along the way, things that I'm noticing. So be on the lookout for those, watch those, like those. I really appreciate your help and support for the channel, and we're just going to continue to hit it. We're going to continue to push forward, and even whenever it's a red day, we're going to pull through and have green days. So thanks everybody for your support. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. This is Joel with Trulife Investing.